Hi, my name's Mike Newman and I'm the Operations Director here at Tridan Engineering, and I'd like to talk to you about our KPIs. KPIs for us are not just a tick in a box for our audits. We have a very strong culture of continual improvement here, and we use the results of our KPIs to drive this. We have KPIs for all major processes within the organisation, which are analysed regularly with process owners to ensure targets are met and the trend line is going the right way. Actions and the people responsible are determined, and the results are filtered back into our business management system. This is all captured at management review at the top level, but we also hold regular performance meetings with all process owners attending. This helps us to improve the business through the understanding of what the KPIs are telling us and how we should react to the information. All of our KPIs are held within a bespoke dashboard created by the company to give a snapshot of business performance. Without our KPIs, it would be a lot more difficult to determine where our efforts should lie to assist with continual improvement.